All right, y'all. We got some more comments. This is a queen coming to the stage, y'all. We got a queen coming to the stage. She came all the way from Tampa. So y'all gotta show her some love, because that's like 2 toes. There she has. That's like 2 toes. See, y'all put some love. You put some love in it. And now I want you to show some love. But be the recruiter. Come on now, yeah.
I'd like to walk around with my chain loose. She just bought a new ass, but got the same boobs. Whipping up dope science. Whip it up, cook it up. That's my sauce where you find it. That's my sauce. Look it up. Adding no checks, no minus. Get your respect in diamonds. I bought a plain Jane.
Hey, how y'all doing? Yeah! My name is B the Recruiter, and I'm alcoholic. Okay, so I met you at AA before. You just got your 4-year pin, and you just dropped your daughter off yesterday. So you're supposed to say, hi, recruiter. Let's try this again. My name is B the Recruiter, and I'm alcoholic. Hi, recruiter. Thank you. Now I feel more comfortable. Thank you. So can I get real comfortable with y'all? Yeah. All right, just a little bit. I'm not going to get all vulgar because we got other people that's older than my mama in here, so I'm going to be respectful. But I've been trying to train my waist all year, and this damn thing is too tight. I need to take this mug off because it ain't acting right. My waist is not listening to me. Plus, I'm all natural, so gotta take this wig off. I tell you what, ain't nothing like being natural, okay? You gotta be natural all day. That's just what I do. So, I'm daddy, but you know, women, when y'all get home from work, what's the first thing y'all do? Don't you take it off? Exactly. So I gotta be comfortable. I'm telling you. You gotta let the thing hang. You know what I'm saying? So listen. My name is Gina G because I was in the Army for 9 years. Alright? So when I was over in Iraq, I sat there and I met some interesting people. I came back to the United States. I met some people's wives that I had sex with. And, not the wives, the husbands. But met the wives, and they had kids from other men while we was deployed. We was over there for 18 months. But they had kids while outside their marriage. Their husband was like, well, you know, I was having sex with you, so I can't be mad. I'm like, you're absolutely right. But I sit there and I was like, you know what, I need to do something to teach these men how to be stronger men and teach these women how to be stronger women. So I opened up my own university. It's called RAM-U. That's the name of it. So it's Women Raising Adolescent Male University, okay? So for the small fee of $49.99, you can get enrolled, okay? You get enrolled in the school. Now we do a background check. You know, I'm all about my business. We have to have applications, so that's the application fee. We have to make sure you got all your prerequisites. The prerequisites are, you have to graduate high school. GED will work because, you know, the military, they take GED, so I'll take GED in my university as well. You have to be in a relationship. That's a must. And you have to get permission from your spouse or your significant other. Now, ladies, don't get mad. Your men will get stuck and fucked at school. I'm sorry. They have to get paid for doing a good job. They don't get A's, B's, C's. They get some head and some pussy. That's what they get. All right? So, anyways, that's that. The next fee is the manuals. The manuals are $99. Now, there's 3 manuals you'll get. You'll get HOD, POD, and DOD. No, not that. We check for STDs, honey. We don't do that. Not in my school. But you get HOD, POD, and DOD, and it is exactly what it sounds like. The manuals cover head on demand, pussy on demand, and dick on demand. I can't go into details about the manual because if you get it, if you signed up, you're going to get all the information. All right? But let me tell you, I started this, hey, sign up, baby. You said you was a candy limit. I was ready for you in the back. But see, you said my wife, and I was like, well, he can sign, he qualifies. But let me tell you about my university. I started meeting all these different men, you know, while I was deployed, and I noticed that they're all into these new consoles, PS, PlayStations, PS3s, 4s, you know, Nintendo, all this other stuff. I'm like, what is going on with all these grown men acting like big kids? So I've created my own thing, y'all. Excuse me. So I've created the V-Box. Yes, it is what you see it is. You got your right toggle, you got your left toggle, you got your right bumper, and you got your left bumper. And then you got your power button, the V-Box. Okay. When they come to the school, they will come home well trained. They'll know how to clean, cook, suck, and puff. And they'll know how to play with your V-Box. So if y'all interested, y'all come to my table, sign up. I got some applications in the back. Oh, there's a line, y'all, there's a line. They run to the back, But anyway, that's my time, y'all. I'm about to get ready